6 profitable business opportunities for rainy season. When it rains in Nairobi, most people complain about the cold weather, the traffic, the floods, but smart people see opportunities, see money falling from the sky. In fact, smart entrepreneurs make 3 times more money than the normal days. If you're looking for business opportunities that you can be able to make you good money during this rainy season, right now in Kenya, it's been raining like crazy. This video is going to help you because we are sharing 6 business opportunities you can be able to start right now and make a lot of money. Okay. And number 4, by the way, will shock you because this is an underrated business opportunity that makes a lot of profit, but most people do not know about it. Let's get started. Business number 1, selling umbrellas. Where Nairobi inakuanga very unexpected. You leave home very early in the morning, there are no signs of rainfall, and then in the evening around 5, I think it's kinda inakuanga na timing. Inafika 5 you start raining and you didn't carry your umbrella to town or to wherever place you are. So that's where now money comes in. For the person who is selling umbrellas, they are now looking at opportunity to make money. So if you want to venture into this business, go to Kamukunj, buy umbrellas for wholesale at around 150, 200. That's a wholesale price, or maybe if it goes high, it's 300. And then you resell for around 400, 500. You can resell even for 700 Kenya shillings. Yeah, and you'll be making like 100% profit. And the best thing is that if it starts raining, every street in Nairobi becomes very busy. So unaenda kwa bus stops, unaenda kwa main streets, and just position yourself there with your umbrella and just call people to buy the umbrellas. Sometimes you don't even to call them, watajileta wenyewe kwa sababu they really need these umbrellas. And then luckily, if you can be able to sell 20 to 50 umbrellas and you're making a profit of let's say 200 Kenya shillings, and you sell 220 umbrellas, that's around 4,000 Kenya shillings profit per day. You'll be praying that every single day it rains, because making 4,000 Kenya shillings is not a small money. Okay, so number 2, hot tea and coffee business. Kukianza kunyesha, people crave for something hot so that they can keep warm. Hapo ndio biashara ya coffee, tea comes in. If you're in that business, you don't need to look for people. Watajileta wenyewe, because they need something to keep them warm. Especially if someone is in an office and probably it's raining during the day and they need to keep warm. They need to stay in an office. So if you're in this business, you're going to make a lot of money. So for you to start, you only need a thermos, you need a disposable cup, you need the ingredients themselves, and you prepare your tea and coffee. Maybe you have a small kiosk somewhere, or maybe you are hawking. There is that flask, inakuanga ya I think 20 liters or around 10 liters. You can go with it around selling. And there's many people who are doing this business, especially the Burundians. They are doing this business very well. They are selling coffee and mandazi everywhere in the streets of Nairobi. And I'm sure right now they are making a lot of money. They are not even struggling to sell to customers. So if you haven't started this business and you may be thinking about something that you don't need a lot of money to start, because with a flask that costs around 2,000, and the ingredients and the tumblers, they are called tumblers, those are the plastic cups, you're ready to go and start making money. And I can imagine if you sell, let's say like 30 cups, and you're making a profit of 20 shillings, I'm very sure you can make a cool 1,000 Kenya shillings per day. Sure, start today. Number 3 is Mitumba jackets and sweaters. When it rains, the demand for sweaters goes crazily high, because people had disposed their sweaters, they even don't know where they are, and they need them urgently. So if you're in this Mitumba business, or maybe you're selling sweaters, you are right now in a good business. Right now, if you check Joking collection, we have stocked a lot of sweaters, because we know it's cold weather and people need to keep warm. So if you're looking for a nice sweater, lady sweater, check out Joking collections. We're going to be able to deliver to you. Okay, so for those who are not yet into this business, right now selling sweaters jackets, and even you can even resell the mitumba ones. Biashara ya mitumba saizi ya kuuza masweta na hoodie iko juu sana right now. Kila mtu anataka kuwa warm, so kama unauza masweta, unauza mahudi, uko kwa biashara right now. Even not many people are buying jeans, not many people are buying tops, but sweaters zinaenda kuenda. So endo buy bale ya mitumba ya hoodies. Unaweza buy bale for maybe one sweater it costs for around 50 shillings. These ones you can be able to buy for around 100 shillings, 200 shillings. You're making a cool profit of 150 profit per sweater moja tu peke yake. Na ukifanikiwa uuze let's say like 20, 30 per day, that's 3,000 per day profit. Good man, right? Okay, get started right now. Number 4, boots and gumboots business. This is the most underrated business idea during rainy season. Imagine right now, the way we have a lot of floods, a lot of water in the roads, and even when it starts raining, it's also crazily, to be able to walk, it's a nightmare. So if you're selling boots and those gumboots, let's say call them gumboots, imagine right now you'll be making a lot of money because people need those kind of boots to be able to walk in these muddy places, especially Nairobi. Saizi imekuwa, the roads are impassable, the roads are in very pathetic situation. So anyone that is doing this business is making a lot of money, and you can be able to buy these boots for a wholesale price of around 500 shillings, 600. If it goes high, it's maybe 900 shillings, and you resell for around 1200, 1500, and people are really looking for these boots. So start right now, and I am telling you, construction workers, farmers, even people in the residential areas are gonna buy these boots from you, and you're gonna make a lot of money, right? Number 5, roof leak repairs. When it rains, that's when you realize that your roof was in bad shape, and at that point, that's when you now start looking for someone to repair your roof, and then you don't even know anyone. But imagine if you position yourself as an expert in repairing roofs, repairing gutters, repairing even a drainage system. Right now, the drainage system in Nairobi is crazily bad. Not even forgetting that even the houses, the residential areas, the drainage is also a problem. So if you're that person that does this kind of business and you market yourself online, or maybe you do, what do you call them? You have the flyers and cards you share around your estate, you make a lot of money because not many people do this kind of work. So if you have this skill, market yourself right now and start making money from repairing roofs, gutters, drainage system. And imagine, let's say for instance, you charge around 5,000 to repair, for a service repair. You can be able to do even 2-3 repairs per day, and you'll be making cool money from this kind of services. Okay, so get started. If you don't have this skill, you can train yourself. You can learn these things from even volunteering to other companies, and you get to learn, and then you start offering these kind of services. You don't have to start right now. Maybe you don't even know how it's done, but you get to learn about it, and then in future you can venture into it. Okay, and maybe you diversify. Don't focus on entirely on this kind of service alone, because when it's not raining, it means that you'll not be in business. So you diversify yourself. You can as well provide the cleaning services, and then when it's rainy season, you are in business repairing roofs and the drainage system and the gutters and what have you. Okay, so don't just sit idle when you can be able to learn a skill that can be able to employ you. Number 6 is food delivery services. When it rains, many people do not want to come out of their homes. They want to stay indoors, they want to stay under the blanket, but they still need to eat. So that's where now the food delivery guy comes in, because now they need someone in between. The restaurant has prepared food, it's ready. Yeah, and someone is staying in their home and they are feeling hungry. So who is gonna bring this food to the house? the delivery guy. So all you need is maybe a motorcycle, and you partner with these restaurants, fast food joints, and even home chefs, and you'll be able to get to deliver food whenever people order from the restaurant. The restaurant will contact you to deliver the food, or maybe the person that needs that food will send you directly. Probably it's someone is known to you, so they'll send you, go pick me this food, deliver to me. And probably maybe uh, let's say, for instance, if you are in estate that is highly populated, and you are charging 100 shillings to deliver a packet of food, you can be able to make a good money every delivery. And let's say, for instance, you get around 20 people, and you deliver charging 100 shillings. That's around 2,000 Kenyan shillings, making that every single day. So Saturday, you see, when it rains, many people will complain about the rain being the problem, but smart people will see it as an opportunity. So the question is, are you the person that is seeing an opportunity, or are you the person that is complaining and seeing the problem that is being caused by the rain? Be that person that sees opportunity in every season. Right now, it's a rain season. It's a season where you're supposed to be dealing with the business that is kind of related to rainy season. And when the rain season ends, you not jump to the next season and still continue with the business that comes with that season. So, in fact, if you master every season and you always have an opportunity for every season, you will always be in business. Because right now, if you are selling like, let's say, things that are not rainy related things, you will not really get customers. But if you focus on selling hoodies, sweaters, umbrellas, right now you'll be in business. Okay, so make sure that you are well versed with every season and you prepare for it before it comes. Okay.